Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download your project from Base44. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Base44 and go to the Apps section. Then select the project you want to download. Once your project opens, look for the Options or menu icon and click it. From there, choose Export Project as zip. If you see an upgrade required message, that means zip exports are only available on supported paid plans such as Pro, Elite, or Enterprise. Upgrade your plan if needed. After upgrading, return to the same project page. Open the menu again and select Export Project as zip. Your project file will then download directly to your computer. You can also choose Export Project to GitHub if you prefer saving the source code in a GitHub repository and accessing it from there. But for that, you also have to upgrade your plan. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download your project from Base44. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.